going to learn how to draw the planet Saturn. Remember, we have learned so far Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and now we're going to do Saturn. So this is how you write Saturn. And Saturn is the number 6 from the sun. So I'm going to write number 6 here. It's 6th from the sun. I'm going to draw sun in the beginning. And let's start drawing Saturn. So, like usually we do, we're going to start with drawing a circle. But this time around, we have to draw something else. What would that be? What's Saturn most famous with? The rings. It's most famous with its rings. That's true. So I'll draw a couple of them. Now, our friend Saturn has a lot of rings. In reality, it has more than 30 rings. 30 rings. More than 30 of them. So I won't be able to draw all of them, but I'll draw some of them. So here we go. Some of them there are. There we go. Now, Saturn is a gas giant, right? Number 2 in the line of gas giants. First was Jupiter, and then comes Saturn. So I'll write here, 30 rings. I'll just draw a little ring here, so it reminds you of the rings. It has more than 30 rings, and it's gas giant. Gas giant, number 2 gas giant, and also is number 2 in size. So I'll write number 2 here. Number 2 in size. Jupiter is the biggest planet in the whole solar system, and after that comes Saturn. Saturn is number 2 gas giant and number 2 in size. Now, in color, Saturn is a bit yellowish and a bit brownish. So, and its rings are that color too. So I'm going to use yellow and brown to color Saturn. Now remember, Jupiter was orange and yellow and a little bit red, but this time around we're going to use just yellow and brown. So I'll go ahead and color the whole Saturn yellow. And then I'll add a little bit of brown to Saturn's rings. There we go. Now, did you know that Saturn's rings are made out of icy chunks, dust, and rock particles? I bet you didn't. Or you were very smart and you already did. So we'll add a little bit of brown, just a little bit. And sometimes when storms happen on Saturn, you can see them from Earth. Now they sparkle white and people call them white spots. Sometimes. It's not like Jupiter. Jupiter has all of the storms. I'll add a little bit more brown to our Saturn. And you know what? I'll add the yellow right now to our sun. So I'll color our sun yellow as well. There we go. Now, what other things are very interesting for Saturn is that it's very, very cold. So I'll draw a thermometer. And I'll color it blue because it's very cold. Saturn is very, very cold. Blue thermometer for that. And it has the most moons in the whole solar system. The most moons. It has 83 moons. 83 is quite a huge number. 83 moons. Now remember, Earth has only one, and our moon is called Moon, but Saturn's 83 moons have their own name. And the biggest one, I'll draw it here, is much bigger than the planet the planet Mercury, and it's called Titan. Titan in Greek means very big. So this has been how to draw Saturn. And let me put this closer so you can see what our picture ends up looking in the end. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next video when we